Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on negative indices. Here are some basic rules regarding negative indices. A to the power of negative n is 1 over a to the n. So because you have a negative sign here, you just put 1 over and you change that sign to positive. A over b to the negative 1, because you have a minus here or a negative, you put 1 over a over b. Now that's actually the reciprocal of a over b. When you have 1 over a certain fraction, they're asking you to find the reciprocal of that fraction. So the reciprocal of a over b is actually b over a. And finally, a to the negative m over n, again because that's a negative, it's always 1 over. So 1 over a to the power of m over n, so you change that sign to a plus, which we have. Now if we remember from the previous videos, when you have the number on the bottom here, it's the nth root of a. Okay, the nth root of a, and then you raise that to the power of m. We saw that in the previous video when we were looking at fractional indices. So the answer would be 1 over the nth root of a, all to the power of m. Okay, now let's have a look at some examples here, see how we go. Okay, we've got 3 to the minus 2 is 1 over 3 squared. That's exactly the same as that rule there, which gives us 1 over 9, because 3 squared is 9. So 3 to the minus 2 is 1 over 9. 4 over 3 to the power of negative 1 is 1 over 4 over 3. That's exactly like rule number 2. So we're asking here for the reciprocal of 4 over 3, and that's 3/4. 9 to the negative 3 over 2. Again, whenever you've got a negative, it's 1 over. So that's 1 over 9 to the 3 over 2. Now, because that's a 2 there, we're looking at the square root of 9. And if you remember in the previous video, we didn't have to put the 2 there. So it's the square root of 9, and it's all cubed. Okay? All to the power of 3, because of that 3 there. Now, the square root of 9 is 3, so that's actually 1 over 3 cubed. And we know that 3 cubed is 27, so 9 to the negative 3 over 2 is 1 over 27. So this video has shown us how to do some simple examples which have negative indices, and we've had 3 basic examples to explain the principles involved.